Ano ba mechanics ng game na to?
Oo,
Zay.
There's an instrumental going to play.
Wow!
Now we have to start. Alright, panindigan na natin yung English. Alright.
Okay. Instruments. Okay.
Instruments, and we will guess what's later on.
Okay.
I like that. Oh, ito piso
Nagagalit.
Ito piso-piso kapag ka nagtagalog starting from now.
Okay, I'll be there before you.
Okay.
I'll be there.
Before you.
I'm going to speak English. Yeah.
Okay, so i-guess nyo yung English nga pala. Hirapan ako. The next guess the right song. Okay, so play the first song.
Accordingly. Maalala ba kayo?
That's with my father!
Yes! Correct!
Sorry, hindi ako ganun ka-sentimental.
Pero mas mukha kayong father. Ba't may naalala ka mo sa song na yun? Can you remember us?
Can you remember us?
Can you explain a little further more?
Don't worry, I can remember you.
Can you share or enlighten us what happened during the father era?
Father-in-law. Well, I just sing that song in the karaoke, so
Yeah.
Sample.
All the way.
On the way.
Sample.
Sample
For 1 point.
Okay.
Some music, please.
Okay.
Music.
The same song. Okay, see you next episode. Okay, next.
Yeah.
Ayan. Apple bottom G. Wait.
Three words.
Apple bottom G. Boots with the fur. The whole body looking at her. She hit the floor.
No.
Three words.
No.
No. Three words.
No.
Getting
Air.
Air.
Three words, air.
Air.
Get up in the air.
Air.
Ano?
Up in the air. Ne. Air.
Almost.
Ay.
Two.
Air.
Yeah.
Land.
Earpad.
In the air.
Kailangan 2 oras yung show ba?
Sorry.
Ang galing.
1-1 all.
1-1 all. It's
Beginning to earthquake. May eclipse ng padaan.
The stage is shaking.
Next po.
Okay.
Sasayaw pa sana kami.
Ay, sorry.
Next follow-up.
Tayo.
Paano ba sumayaw na dito?
Yun lang alam ko dyan. Saan lang yan? Alam mo yung pag-game mo dapat kinakanta na lang. Big bad girl?
Clue. Matamis.
Sweet.
And then,
Run.
Sweet. Sugar rush.
Sugar dive. Sugar swim.
Run. Sugar.
tama na yung ulan.
Sugar. Candy rush. Run.
The rush ko.
Run.
Almost.
Candy Crush.
Swim.
Run, swim, sports.
Candy
Swim.
swim. Candy swim.
Candy store.
Mabuti po kami.
Runway. Runway ba? Runway.
Wala.
Run the candy.
Run dive.
Escape.
Sweet escape.
hirap.
Bakit naman kasi?
Bakit naman
Ano kasi to? Ano to?
Escape? Dagat?
Dahil ba escape?
Hindi, nag-escape siya sa dagat.
Naka-jail?
Ha? Nag-escape siya sa dagat. Ganon.
Dapat kasi
Wala tayo sa imagination.
kung escape, hindi ka talaga bagay sa mga sa mga charades. Dapat escape ka nito.
Paano?
Mukha kasi ako nag-face.
Di ba? Ganon.
Yan!
Oo, yan!
Theater! Galing kasi escape.
Daw kinakabahan ako kay Direk. Ngayon mo na, may ano na, may
Commercial model eh. Commercial model. So, paano ba mag-escape?
Mukha kasi ako dyan.
Paano mag-escape ang commercial model? What did they go?
Swim yan!
Diba?
Next song.
Brown out na.
Akala ko lumalabas sa'yo yung kanta.
Oh, siya na una.
Shake it off.
Yeah! Oh, ay, ano?
Akala ko, patse.
Una kami!
Patse. Ikaw.
Oh, ano na?
Para mag...
So, 3 all.
2-3.
Okay.
2-3 Marie.
Ate Marie! Congratulations kay Charlize Cruz.
100,000.
Ay, King of Queen.
King
Yes.
of Queen.
Gross, and then si
King of
James.
Queen.
Alfred.
Anong King of Queen?
The King of the Night.
King of the Night?
And
Queen. Queen siya.
Nagdalawa kasi
King and
Queen.
Queen.
Sino yun? Sino
King
King
and
of the Night?
Queen.
Si James Cruz. Ano bang?
James Alfred Cruz.
Ah, yeah.
Yes.
Tapos si Charlize.
Cruz.
Magkapatid, may budol. May pero ano, ang ganda at gwapo nila.
Oo,
No
bakit naman
relation.
siya?
Hindi na
Deserve naman talaga, deserve.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you, yeah. Oh. Yeah, so I want to ask you a simple question that will change your life.
Change my life?
Yeah. So being an actor for a specific era, like 10 years, 10 years, and you are the most respected as I've known. So how do you see yourself in 5 days?
How you see?
Interview pala to. Sino interview?
Kagi.
Kasi sa theater nung last time, parang ano ako noon, nasa kama.
Yeah.
Tapos nagte-text ako noon, nagte-text ganyan. Tapos may kinikilig-kilig. Ay! Kinikilig-kilig na ganyan. Tapos nung na ano ako, na ano ako sa floor, natumba. Paano yung tumba?
Parang laruan lang. Yung ganun.
Sobrang kilig.
Oo nga.
Sobrang kilig, gano'n.
In fairness, wala sa script yun. Siya
Ako lang talaga yung gumawa nun.
Totoo?
Oo.
Galing mo?
Pag ganyan, pag na-overdose ka eh.
kailangan turukan din.
If kinakausap mo ang liwanag,
Yes.
ano bang mensahe mo sa kanya? At ano ang sinasabi niya sa'yo?
Kunyari,
Okay na, umalis ka na muna. Ang liwanag mo.
siyempre,
Kasali ba?
How about you?
can you sample?
Shampoo.
How do you present yourself in a singing way? Singing way na lang.
Okay.
Singing.
Singing way?
Singing,
Okay.
Singing.
Singing, okay. So, I want to know you
Wow, may pa-echo.
more. I'll travel the world and discuss about you. As a journalist, that's how I'm going to meet people. I wanted to know you, and I wanted to feature in the world your story and your legacy.
Panin. Wait lang, paano song yun?
Hindi siya sinabi, may backup.
Sige.
Baka.
I want to be a tutubi na wala tinatagong bato. Sorry. Okay.
You know!